Question 1. What is business research? Business research is the systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to aid in making business decisions. It helps organizations understand market trends, customer needs, competitive landscapes, and internal operational efficiency. By using research methods to collect relevant data, businesses can identify opportunities, mitigate risks, and enhance decision-making. Business research is essential for staying competitive and adapting to the dynamic business environment. Question 2. Define research. Research is a structured, systematic investigation aimed at discovering new information, understanding existing phenomena, or solving specific problems. It involves collecting data, analyzing it, and drawing conclusions based on evidence. Research can be applied across disciplines, such as science, social science, and business, to expand knowledge or answer critical questions. Its purpose is to gain deeper insights, validate theories, and develop practical solutions to real-world issues. Question 3. What is market analysis? Market analysis is the study of market conditions to understand the demand, competition, pricing, and potential customer base for a product or service. This process includes assessing target demographics, customer buying behavior, and market trends to evaluate potential profitability and risks. Businesses use market analysis to make informed decisions about product launches, marketing strategies, and pricing models. It helps identify opportunities in the market and refine strategies to meet consumer expectations. Question 4. Name any 2 business research methods. 2 common business research methods are surveys and case studies. Surveys involve gathering data from a large group of respondents to understand trends, preferences, or opinions. They are useful for collecting quantitative data and are often conducted through questionnaires or interviews. Case studies, on the other hand, focus on an in-depth analysis of a particular situation, event, or organization. They provide detailed insights into complex issues and are valuable for understanding real-world applications of business practices. Question 5. What is a proposition? A proposition is a statement or assertion that expresses a judgment or opinion, which can be evaluated as true or false. In business research, a proposition often serves as a preliminary statement that guides inquiry or hypothesis development. It forms the foundation for further investigation and helps to frame research questions. For example, a proposition might assert that customer loyalty programs improve customer retention rates, which can then be tested through research. Question 6. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a specific, testable statement about a potential relationship between 2 or more variables. In business research, it is an educated guess that provides direction for research and experimentation. For example, a researcher might hypothesize that increasing customer service training for employees will lead to higher customer satisfaction. Hypotheses are essential for scientific research as they help define what is being tested and can be proven or disproven through data analysis. Question 7. Define applied research. Applied research is a type of research aimed at solving practical problems and finding solutions that can be directly implemented in real-world settings. Unlike basic research, which seeks to expand general knowledge, applied research is practical and solution-oriented. It is commonly used in business to address specific challenges, such as improving product design, increasing customer engagement, or optimizing operations. The outcomes of applied research are often actionable and intended to have immediate benefits. Question 8. What is basic research? Basic research, also known as fundamental or pure research, is conducted to expand general knowledge and understanding without a direct application in mind. It is theoretical in nature and aims to answer fundamental questions, such as, what causes consumer behavior? Or, how do markets respond to inflation? Basic research is essential for building the foundation of knowledge that applied research can build upon. Its findings often contribute to scientific theories or principles that guide future research. Question 9. What is pure research? Pure research, similar to basic research, is aimed at increasing scientific knowledge and understanding without immediate practical application. It seeks to explore phenomena, develop theories, and explain concepts purely for the sake of advancing knowledge. In a business context, pure research may involve studying general economic principles, consumer psychology, or market behavior trends that may not have immediate commercial benefits but contribute to the academic field. Question 10. What is descriptive research? Descriptive research is a type of research that aims to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon systematically and factually. It does not seek to determine cause and effect relationships but provides an accurate portrayal of conditions, behaviors, or patterns. For example, a descriptive study might examine customer demographics, purchase patterns, or market size. This type of research is beneficial for gathering data that helps businesses understand their target audience and market environment. Question 11. What is exploratory research? Exploratory research is a preliminary study conducted to clarify ambiguous problems or develop insights when there is little existing information. It is used to identify trends, generate ideas, or formulate hypotheses for further study. Techniques for exploratory research include literature reviews, focus groups, and expert interviews. In business, exploratory research helps organizations understand new issues, explore potential opportunities, and set the groundwork for more structured studies. Question 12. What is causal research? Causal research, also known as explanatory research, seeks to determine cause and effect relationships between variables. It is used to understand how a change in one variable influences another. This type of research often involves experiments where researchers manipulate one variable, the independent variable, and observe its impact on another, the dependent variable. For instance, a business might use causal research to test whether increasing its marketing budget directly impacts sales figures. Causal research provides evidence of relationships that can guide strategic decision-making. Question 13. What are the features of business research methods? Business research methods encompass a systematic approach designed to identify, analyze, and solve business-related problems through careful data collection and analysis. The features of these methods include a structured process, which generally starts with defining the research problem, followed by designing the research, data collection, analysis, and reporting. This structure ensures that research findings are objective and reliable. Business research can employ both qualitative and quantitative techniques, each with its distinct purpose. Quantitative methods, such as surveys and statistical analysis, are used for measuring and analyzing numerical data, which can then be used to identify patterns or test hypotheses. Qualitative methods, including interviews, focus groups, and case studies, are utilized to gain deeper insights into people's attitudes, behaviors, and motivations. Another crucial feature of business research methods is their flexibility. Researchers often adapt methods based on the scope and objectives of the study. Ethical considerations, accuracy, and validity are also essential features, ensuring that findings can be trusted and applied in real-world business scenarios. Question 14. Define research. What are its characteristics? Research is defined as a systematic investigation aimed at discovering new information or validating existing knowledge, primarily through empirical evidence. The process is structured and organized, often beginning with a clear statement of the problem or research question, followed by the formulation of a hypothesis, data collection, analysis, and conclusions. The characteristics of research include objectivity, as researchers are expected to maintain neutrality and avoid bias throughout the study. Research is also methodical, following a step-by-step approach that is carefully planned and executed. This ensures that each stage of the study builds upon the previous one, enhancing the reliability of the results. Another key characteristic is that research must be replicable. Other researchers should be able to follow the same procedures and achieve similar outcomes, which strengthens the validity of the findings. Finally, research is empirical, relying on observable and measurable evidence, often through experiments, surveys, or observation, to support conclusions. Research aims to expand knowledge, contribute to theory, or solve practical issues. Question 15. What are business research methods? Business research methods are the tools and techniques used by businesses to gather data, analyze information, and make informed decisions. These methods provide a systematic approach to understanding various business phenomena, such as consumer behavior, market trends, product satisfaction, or operational efficiency. Business research methods can be broadly divided into two categories: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative methods include interviews, focus groups, and case studies, and are typically used to gather insights into consumer attitudes, motivations, and preferences. Quantitative methods, such as surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis, are utilized to collect and analyze numerical data, which allows for testing hypotheses and identifying patterns or trends. In addition to primary research methods, businesses may use secondary research, which involves gathering and analyzing data that has already been collected by other sources, such as government reports or market studies. Choosing the appropriate research method depends on the objectives, resources, and timeline of the project. Ultimately, business research methods enable companies to base decisions on data rather than intuition, leading to improved strategies and outcomes. Question 16. What are the objectives of business research? The primary objectives of business research are to gather relevant data and insights that help in making well-informed business decisions. One major objective is to understand customer needs and preferences, which enables businesses to design products and services that meet market demand. Another objective is to assess market trends, which helps companies stay competitive and anticipate future shifts in the market landscape. Business research also aims to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and operational strategies, providing a basis for optimization. Additionally, business research seeks to identify potential risks and challenges within the industry, allowing organizations to develop strategies for mitigating these risks. In some cases, the research objective may be to explore new opportunities for growth or innovation. For example, A company may conduct research to explore entry into a new market or to test the feasibility of a new product line. Overall, the objectives of business research focus on supporting the organization's strategic goals by providing data-driven insights. Question 17. What is the importance of conducting business research? Conducting business research is crucial as it provides the foundational data and insights necessary for making strategic decisions that can significantly impact the business's success. By understanding market trends, consumer behaviors, and competitive dynamics, businesses are better equipped to adapt to changes in the market and meet consumer demands effectively. Business research also reduces uncertainty by providing factual information that supports decision making. For example, before launching a new product, a company might conduct market research to assess customer interest and identify potential challenges, thus minimizing the risks associated with product development and launch. Additionally, research is important for improving efficiency. Operational research can help identify inefficiencies within a company's processes, leading to cost savings and productivity gains. Business research also plays a vital role in identifying new business opportunities. It helps companies pinpoint unmet needs within the market, allowing them to innovate and create new products or services. Ultimately, business research fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making, leading to more sustainable growth and competitive advantage. Question 18. What are the functions of business research? The functions of business research are diverse and encompass a range of activities aimed at supporting a business's strategic goals. One of the primary functions is problem identification. Business research helps organizations detect issues or areas of improvement that may not be immediately obvious, such as declining customer satisfaction or inefficient processes. Another function is to support decision-making by providing a factual basis for evaluating different options. Business research also plays a role in evaluating business performance, allowing companies to assess the effectiveness of various strategies, such as marketing campaigns or product launches. Additionally, research functions include the development and testing of new concepts or products. Through consumer feedback and market analysis, businesses can test the feasibility of new ideas before committing significant resources. Forecasting future trends is another crucial function, as it enables companies to plan for anticipated changes in customer preferences, economic conditions, or technological advancements. Overall, the functions of business research are integral to effective management and long-term growth. Question 19. What are the features of applied research? Applied research is a type of research focused on addressing specific, real-world problems and finding practical solutions. Unlike basic research, which seeks to expand general knowledge without a specific application in mind, applied research is goal-oriented and aims to solve immediate issues. One of the primary features of applied research is its practical focus. It is typically conducted in response to a pressing problem or challenge faced by a business, industry, or community. Applied research is often interdisciplinary, drawing on methods and theories from multiple fields to create comprehensive solutions. Another feature is its emphasis on achieving tangible results that can be implemented within a reasonable time frame. Applied research often involves collaboration between researchers and practitioners, ensuring that findings are relevant and actionable. Additionally, applied research may utilize both quantitative and qualitative methods, depending on the nature of the problem being addressed. The ultimate goal of applied research is to improve practices, optimize processes, or develop innovative products and services that benefit the end users. Question 20. What are the features of basic research? Basic research, also known as PO or fundamental research, is aimed at expanding knowledge without immediate application in mind. One key feature of basic research is its focus on theory development. It seeks to answer fundamental questions and uncover principles that can form the basis for future applied research. Basic research is exploratory and is often conducted without a specific problem or practical outcome in mind. Instead, it aims to deepen understanding of a particular field or topic. Another characteristic is that basic research is methodical and follows a rigorous process to ensure accuracy and validity. This type of research is generally conducted in controlled environments, such as laboratories, where researchers can isolate variables and test hypotheses. Basic research relies heavily on empirical evidence gathered through observation, experimentation, and data analysis. While basic research may not have immediate commercial applications, it is essential for driving scientific and technological advancements that can eventually lead to real-world innovations. Question 21. What are the differences between basic research and applied research? Basic and applied research are both crucial types of research, yet they differ significantly in their purpose, approach, and outcomes. Basic research, also known as PO or fundamental research, aims to expand theoretical knowledge without necessarily considering practical applications. It is conducted to understand underlying principles and mechanisms and often involves exploring new concepts and ideas. Basic research is often guided by curiosity, seeking to answer broad questions and add to the body of scientific knowledge. Applied research, on the other hand, is focused on solving specific, practical problems. It is action-oriented, with a clear objective to find solutions that can be implemented in real-world scenarios. While basic research is generally more exploratory and may take place in controlled settings, applied research is often interdisciplinary, involving collaboration between researchers and practitioners. Additionally, the outcomes of basic research may not have immediate commercial value, while applied research results are usually directly usable, such as developing a new product or optimizing business operations. In summary, basic research expands theoretical understanding, while applied research directly addresses practical issues, making both essential for progress in academic and practical fields. Question 22. What are the main objectives of exploratory research? Exploratory research is conducted to gain insights and understand the nature of a phenomenon, particularly when there is limited existing information on the topic. One of the main objectives of exploratory research is to clarify and define the problem, which can help in shaping subsequent research efforts. By collecting preliminary data, researchers can identify key variables, potential hypotheses, and factors that may be relevant in future studies. Exploratory research is particularly useful in situations where the researcher does not have a clear idea of what outcomes to expect. Another objective is to gather insights that can lead to the formulation of more precise research questions and objectives. Exploratory research may also aim to uncover patterns, relationships, or themes that could inform more in-depth research. Additionally, exploratory research is often used to assess the feasibility of a larger study, helping researchers determine if further investigation is warranted. Methods commonly used in exploratory research include literature reviews, interviews, focus groups, and observational studies, as these allow for flexibility and adaptability in data collection. Question 23. Explain the features of causal research. Causal research, also known as explanatory research, is designed to establish cause and effect relationships between variables. This type of research is characterized by its systematic approach to understanding how one variable impacts another, often using experiments as a primary method. One of the features of causal research is its focus on testing hypotheses, where researchers make predictions about relationships and then gather data to confirm or refute these predictions. Causal research is usually quantitative, relying on statistical analysis to determine the strength and direction of relationships. For instance, a business might use causal research to understand how a change in price affects consumer demand. Another key feature of causal research is the control of extraneous variables, which helps isolate the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. This control is often achieved through experimental designs, such as randomized trials, where subjects are randomly assigned to different conditions. Causal research provides valuable insights into why certain outcomes occur, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions and predict future events based on cause and effect principles. Question 24. What is theoretical research? Theoretical research is a type of research focused on developing, testing, or refining theories rather than immediately applying findings to practical situations. It involves using logical reasoning and conceptual analysis to explore abstract ideas and hypotheses. The goal of theoretical research is to build a framework that explains phenomena and offers predictions about how different variables are related. For instance, a researcher studying consumer behavior may develop a theory on why certain demographics prefer particular products, which can then guide future applied research. Theoretical research is foundational to scientific progress as it allows for the creation of models and frameworks that can later be tested through empirical research. This research type relies heavily on literature reviews, conceptual analysis, and sometimes mathematical modeling to validate or refine theoretical constructs. While theoretical research may not have immediate practical applications, it is critical for building a body of knowledge that informs future studies and supports the development of practical solutions. Question 25. What are the uses of exploratory research? Exploratory research has a wide range of uses, especially in fields where information is limited or unclear. One key use is in problem identification, as exploratory research helps define and refine vague or undefined research questions. By gathering preliminary data, researchers can understand the main issues surrounding a problem and lay the groundwork for further, more detailed studies. Another use is hypothesis generation, as exploratory research provides insights that can help formulate hypotheses for subsequent testing. Exploratory research is also useful for identifying variables, relationships, or patterns that may be relevant in future studies. Businesses often use exploratory research when introducing a new product or service to gather feedback and understand customer perceptions, which can shape future strategies. Additionally, exploratory research is valuable in studying emerging trends or areas with little prior research, as it allows for an open-ended approach to data collection. Overall, exploratory research helps reduce uncertainty, guides the design of future studies, and informs decision-making in uncertain environments. Question 26. What is empirical research? Empirical research is a type of research that relies on observed and measured phenomena to collect data and derive findings. This research is grounded in empirical evidence, meaning it is based on actual experience or observation rather than theoretical speculation. Empirical research follows a systematic approach, involving data collection through experiments, surveys, observations, or other direct methods. It is particularly useful for testing hypotheses, as empirical research provides a factual basis for conclusions and allows for reproducibility. For example, a company conducting a customer satisfaction survey is engaging in empirical research, as they are collecting real data from customers to assess satisfaction levels. Empirical research is often quantitative, but it can also include qualitative data if the research design allows for it. In business, empirical research is essential for decision making, as it provides concrete insights that help managers understand market dynamics, customer preferences, and operational efficiencies. This approach makes empirical research reliable and objective, and its findings can be generalized if the sample size and methodology are adequate. Question 27. What are the advantages of empirical research? Empirical research offers several advantages that make it valuable for scientific inquiry and decision making. One key advantage is its reliance on observable and measurable data, which provides a high degree of objectivity and reliability. This reduces bias and enhances the credibility of the findings. Empirical research also allows for hypothesis testing, enabling researchers to draw conclusions based on actual evidence. This makes empirical research essential in fields like business, where data-driven decisions can impact profitability and strategy. Another advantage is the replicability of empirical studies. By following a standardized method, other researchers can reproduce the study to confirm the results, which strengthens the validity of the findings. Empirical research also provides practical insights and recommendations, as it often involves real-world data that can be directly applied to improve products, services, or operations. Additionally, empirical research supports generalizability, especially if conducted on a representative sample, making it easier to apply findings to broader contexts. Question 28. What is descriptive research? Descriptive research is a type of research aimed at providing a detailed description of a phenomenon, population, or situation. Unlike exploratory research, which seeks to understand the nature of a problem, or causal research, which looks for cause and effect relationships, descriptive research focuses on describing characteristics and facts as they exist. This type of research answers questions such as what, quote, who, quote, where, quote, and when, but not necessarily why, quote. Common methods of descriptive research include surveys, observations, and case studies. For example, a company may conduct a survey to describe customer demographics, purchasing habits, or preferences. The data collected is typically quantitative, though qualitative methods can also be used if the goal is to describe behaviors or attitudes in depth. Descriptive research is useful for understanding the status of a variable or group, providing a foundation for further research, and helping in decision making by giving an accurate picture of the current state of a phenomenon. Descriptive research is essential in business as it helps organizations gain insight into customer profiles, market conditions, and operational performance.